Jersey today. Momo's gonna get her spay. She insists on climbing up on me while we're driving because she doesn't love being in the car, but she's gonna be okay, right, Momo? You're gonna be okay. Yes, you are. Okay. Momo is crying a lot while we're driving today, but we're almost to the clinic, so we'll be able to hold her and she'll be okay, right, little Mo? Yeah, you're gonna be okay, little Momo. You're gonna be okay. Okay. Where did we go, Momo? We made it. Did we make it? Yeah, we made it. Okay, you're gonna be okay. Yeah, you're gonna be alright, little Mo. It's okay. Okay? You're okay. I know, you're tired. You're probably hungry too. It's gonna be okay, okay, little Mo? It's gonna be okay. We checked in, so now Momo is 10th in line. We're gonna stay in the car for a little bit. She's just exploring. Right, Momo? Yeah, everything's gonna be okay, baby. Okay. I had to bring a hard case carrier for her because that's what they require at this vet clinic. And she also has her soft case, so she's more comfortable in it. We just got Momo out. She looks a little out of it, but we're gonna go home, okay, little Mo? Mama, hi, sweetie. How are you? How are you, baby? You feeling okay? Okay, we're gonna go home, okay, Mama? You can do it.